Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix Capuccino semi-gloss latex paint for concrete wall. Capuccino is a common color of choice when it comes to painting. A house.it has a neutral color that can add depth and space to the room, and this color goes well with many other colors, enhancing the final look. Okay, let's start. Our client order 1 gallon Capuccino semi-gloss latex mix. Let's start by pouring acrylic color raw sienna on an 80% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's also add latex choco brown. And a drop of acrylic color lamp black. Stir the paint well. Let's compare. We are more lighter. We have to add more acrylic color raw sienna, black, urethane red, and latex choco brown. Let's also add more latex semi-gloss white. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. We are more brighter. Let's add more latex white and black. Yes, it's the same already. Mixing accomplished.